How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my future success. Guys, sorry if it's a little bit echoey in here, just moving into my new place. I want to jump on the computer real quick and just show you guys price action from this morning alone. Trading with two contracts. This is actually just over $1,200 screen that you're looking at here. And I'll go over every single one of these entries, exits. We had 9 trades that worked, 1 trade that didn't work. So, a really good win to loss ratio so far. So, let's just dive into this. Slow it down a little bit for people who are new to this channel to totally understand what are we looking at in the market right now and what are we actually seeing on our screen so you can implement this literally within moments of grabbing these metrics. I'll show you guys that in a second, but first, let's just show you how well this actually works. I will let you know too, I am working on a version 5 of these metrics that all of you guys are going to be able to get completely free. So everyone who's in right now is going to be able to get this upgrade for free when I come out with it. But guys, let's look at some of these signals this morning. This one right here, sell signal. Why are these signals actually populated? There has to have a few things illuminated with this. Your background has to be solid red, showing bear market momentum. You have to have price action below your profit wave. This is just showing that intermediately, the overall trend is still bearish. And you have to have a strong Hiekin Ashi candle, either bullish or bearish. So in this case, since we're going short, we want a strong bearish candle. That's our entry. This at the white dot is the price that we want to get filled at and our profit target going down. On the 1 minute time frame, I like to go for 5 points. Can you go for more points? Absolutely. Guys, there's actually a lot of people that are pulling out way more than just the $1,200 I'll show you here, and actually almost doubling and tripling that. And what you can do is you can actually play this down right above to a level of support or resistance. So let's go and dive this in and kind of spread this out a little bit so you guys can see what I'm looking at. If this is your entry and your white dots, your price action doesn't actually close above this profit wave, you can continue to hold this down until your first level of support. Now, I wouldn't go all the way down to that first level, stick it a little bit higher. So go for something like 19 points. So, instead of 5 points, you're going for almost 20 points, and now you've just made 4 times the profit that you were doing beforehand. So that is really helpful in a trade like this. You guys, let's go on to the next one here. You're getting a buy signal. This means our background is solid green, first bullish candle. This is our entry, price action stayed above, target hit and exited. Something that you guys can use too is these triple R's and triple G's that I go over in my one-on-one training. And I'll show you guys where to do one-on-one training if you're interested in it. But take a look at this. Multiple times this morning this ended up working out. So let's say you're like, Justin, I don't have a buy or sell signal on my chart. How can I capitalize on more movements? So this is how you do it. First, bearish candle. This is your entry, okay? So this is your entry on your chart. I'm going to change this to white, okay? Where's our stop loss? It's going to show you your stop loss automatically. Put it at the candle high right here. So this is our stop loss. And what are we going to do? We're going to go for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So if we look at this, what is a 1-to-1 risk to reward? Well, if we take this length here and we double it down, it's going to be right about here. So this is now our profit target. So now you've been able to capitalize on how much with this trade. You were able to make another 11.5 points just on that alone. And what was really nice is right after this candle closed and this one came up, you could technically just move your stop loss. Move your stop loss to break even and then have it play down. Me specifically, I like to just keep this here and just know how much the risk to reward is. If you flip this back over, take a look at this. Where's your first bullish candle when it switches over? Right here. Where's your stop loss? I'm sure you guys can tell right here. What's your risk to reward? 1-to-1. Well, did this actually hit 1-to-1? It actually hit way more than 1-to-1. But right here, this is the 1-to-1 risk to reward. How much was this? You guys can do this over and over again. This is another 16, 17 points. This is where you're taking something that's $1,200 just by taking the buy and sell signals and going to more like $2,000 to $3,000, with a couple contracts here on NQ. So let's just go over, let's get rid of this real quick. That's the triple R and triple G method. But let's look at some more of these buy and sell signals. So another buy signal here, illuminated at 728, target, and hit right afterwards, another winning trade. Did it have a losing trade? Yeah, this was actually the one losing trade today that it had. And this is our entry. What do we do? If it ends up going against us and closing out of our profit wave, it's okay. So this is actually a 13-point loss. Totally fine. I'd be all right with it. If you look at this again, if that's a 13-point loss, check this out. Entry, stop loss, profit, took it. Take a look at that. Another one right there. Another 10 points. You can do this over and over and over again. And, something I would actually highly recommend, what I say in my one-on-ones is, get used to and actually just start plotting this out yourself so you can start seeing patterns. Another sell signal here, target hit right afterwards. Another buy signal, target hit afterwards. Another sell signal, target hit right afterwards. Buy signal, target hit afterwards. So you guys, over and over, multiple times throughout the day, not only do you have opportunities to take buy and sell signals, but you also have this method of using triple R's and triple G's. Another one here, 1-to-1 risk to reward, easily closed out. Another one right here, 1-to-1 risk to reward, easily closed out. So this is how you're able to capitalize on so much more. Guys, if you're new to this channel, I want you guys to take a second and head over to My Future Success. You guys can literally just click the link in the description below. Take a look at a lot of people that have passed profit from accounts. This is just a very small section of people. This is lifetime access. You never pay any monthly service fees at all. And every upgrade that I do these metrics, if you're in right now, the next version I come out is going to be completely free for you as well. I do one-on-one trainings that I have booked out right now till about December 20th. I do have a couple of openings in the meantime if you guys would take a look at that. But also look at some reviews over here, some 5-star reviews. Actually, a lot of 5-star reviews, about 87 5-star reviews out of 90. And see if any of this actually resonates with yourself on here on this page. But this is exactly where to grab access to this, to all of these metrics. But I just want to get on here, you guys, today and show you literally every buy and sell signal and also more opportunities. The more I do these videos throughout now and the end of the year and with the new metrics coming out, I'm going to slow down a lot of these videos and try to make this as educational as possible, where anyone, even if you've been with me for the last 3 years, or if you've been with me for the last 3 days or 24 hours since purchasing this, I want these videos that I make to be the most educational videos and to show you exactly how you can capitalize on making money in the markets yourself and be just one of many, many people that have already passed their profit from accounts. Guys, I specifically like using Take Profit Trader. I believe they still have their deal going on right now. That was 40% off all of their accounts, and you never pay an activation fee. If you guys want that, that is also in my description below as well. I've just had an amazing experience with them. I've done, I think now 10 to 12 payouts, and it's been absolutely incredible. But if you guys have any questions or concerns on any of this, please just send me an email. I'll get back to you guys right away. Again, sorry for the echoey noise. I'll make sure to get some more furniture or something in this room in my office. But I just want to get on here, say thank you to everyone. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. Once I get settled in, I'm going to be going back to some challenges and showing some more live trades here. But my time is just super limited at the moment. But I love you guys. You guys are family to me. Take care. God bless.